Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks. Every day, I share real effective ways to help men restore their strength and confidence. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Most men don't realize this, but after age 35, your testosterone can drop by up to 1% every year. That might not sound like much, but after a decade, it's the difference between waking up with energy and drive and feeling tired, foggy, and disconnected from the man you used to be. Here's the truth. You don't need pills, shots, or complicated treatments to restore your vitality. Your body already knows how to produce testosterone naturally. It just needs the right fuel. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful foods that can reactivate your body's own testosterone production. Every one of them is backed by research, simple to find, and proven to work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to boost your energy, confidence, and performance in every area of your life. Let's start with number one. Number one, oysters. The king of natural testosterone foods. Oysters are packed with zinc, the single most important mineral for testosterone production. Without enough zinc, your body simply cannot make testosterone. And what little it does make often gets converted into estrogen. That's why men who are low in zinc often struggle with fatigue, low libido, and slow recovery. Just one serving of oysters gives you more than double your daily requirement of zinc. Eat them once or twice a week. Or if oysters aren't your thing, use pumpkin seeds or lean beef as an alternative source. Number two, raw garlic. The secret weapon for hormone balance. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that directly suppresses testosterone. When cortisol goes down, testosterone has room to rise naturally. Garlic also improves blood flow and heart health, both of which are essential for energy and performance. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Let them rest for 10 minutes to activate the allicin, and mix with a little honey or olive oil. It's strong, but it works. Number 3, avocados. The hormone builder. Avocados are rich in the healthy fats your body needs to make testosterone. They're loaded with vitamin E and boron, a trace mineral that can raise free testosterone by up to 20%. Free testosterone is the form your body can actually use for strength, focus, and drive. Eat half or a full avocado daily. Slice it, blend it, add it to eggs or salads. It's one of the simplest, most effective foods for hormone health. Number 4, Brazil nuts. A tiny food with massive results. Just 2 or 3 Brazil nuts a day can transform your hormone profile. They're the richest natural source of selenium, a mineral that supports your thyroid, protects your testicular cells, and helps your body convert cholesterol into testosterone. Low selenium equals low testosterone. It's that direct. Stick to 2 or 3 per day. More isn't better. These nuts are powerful in small doses. Number 5, raw honey. Nature's natural energizer. Raw, unfiltered honey supports healthy hormone levels by providing antioxidants, enzymes, and trace minerals like boron. Boron helps balance testosterone and estrogen, while the antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Honey also helps improve blood flow, which is critical for physical performance. Add a spoonful to your tea or mix it with raw garlic for a simple, potent combination. Number 6, fresh parsley. The hidden testosterone booster. Parsley contains a compound called apigenin, which activates the cells responsible for testosterone production. It also helps block the enzyme that turns testosterone into estrogen. That means you make more testosterone and keep more of it active in your system. Add parsley to your smoothies, salads, or just chew it fresh. It also helps freshen your breath after garlic, which is a nice bonus. Number 7, coconut. The fat your hormones love. Your body can't make hormones without fat, and coconut oil provides the perfect type. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which your body converts into energy while supporting hormone production. It helps balance cholesterol levels, improves metabolism, and gives your body the building blocks it needs for steady testosterone output. Use 1 or 2 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil daily in your coffee, oatmeal, or for cooking. Number 8, dark chocolate. The unexpected testosterone food. Dark chocolate, 75% cacao or higher, contains magnesium and powerful flavonoids. These compounds improve blood flow, lower inflammation, and reduce the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. It's one of the few foods that can genuinely improve your mood and your hormones at the same time. 1 or 2 small squares a day are enough. Go for high-quality, low-sugar chocolate for the best results. Number 9, pomegranate. The ancient fruit of vitality. Modern research proves what ancient cultures already knew. Pomegranate supports male health and vitality. In studies, men who drank pure pomegranate juice daily saw testosterone levels rise by as much as 30%. It also improves circulation, reduces stress, and enhances mood. Drink a small glass of 100% pure pomegranate juice every day, or eat the fresh seeds. Avoid store-bought drinks with added sugar. Those will do the opposite. Number 10, ginger. The quiet powerhouse. Ginger root may be one of the most effective testosterone boosters you've never used. Clinical studies show that regular ginger consumption can increase testosterone by up to 17%, while also improving fertility and energy. It works by reducing inflammation, enhancing blood flow, and stimulating the luteinizing hormone, the signal your body uses to produce testosterone. Grate it into hot tea, smoothies, or your meals. Consistency is what makes the difference here. Now that you know the top 10 foods, here's how to put them together into one simple daily routine. I call this the testosterone power mix. It combines several of the best hormone-supporting ingredients into a quick, energizing meal that takes less than 2 minutes to make. Blend together 2 Brazil nuts, half an avocado, 1 crushed clove of garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and the juice from half a lemon. You can eat it as a spread, mix it into a smoothie, or take it like a natural shot. It's powerful, natural, and surprisingly refreshing. This mix provides everything your body needs to support testosterone production: zinc, selenium, boron, antioxidants, and healthy fats. But remember this, no food can work if your lifestyle is fighting against you. You can't out-eat bad habits. To truly restore your testosterone, you need to support your body from all sides. That means getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. When you sleep, your body releases most of its testosterone. Miss that window, and your levels crash. Train your body regularly. Resistance training, lifting weights, or even body weight workouts trigger a natural surge in testosterone. Reduce chronic stress. Long-term stress keeps your cortisol high and your testosterone low. And finally, avoid chemical disruptors like plastic containers, pesticides, and processed foods. They confuse your hormones and lower production over time. Combine these habits with the foods you've just learned about, and you'll create the perfect environment for your body to thrive again. How fast will you feel the difference? Most men start noticing subtle changes within 2 to 4 weeks. Better energy in the morning, more focus, stronger drive. Within 2 to 3 months, those changes become impossible to ignore. Your workouts improve, your recovery speeds up, and your motivation returns. Remember, your testosterone doesn't just affect how you perform in the gym, it affects how you show up in life. Your focus, your mood, your resilience, your confidence, they all depend on healthy hormone balance. So give your body what it needs. These are not exotic supplements or expensive formulas. They're real foods that support the system you already have. And your body is ready to respond. It just needs the right signal. You don't have to accept low energy, poor sleep, or lost drive as a normal part of aging. With the right nutrition and lifestyle, you can restore your natural balance and feel like yourself again. Your best years are not behind you. They're ahead of you. Start today. Try adding 2 or 3 of these foods into your meals this week and notice the difference. Then build from there. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep building your strength from the inside out.